Hello everybody, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do your egg roll. For this particular egg roll I'll be needing about 10 eggs, but firstly you have to boil the eggs, and when you're done boiling them you have to place them inside the cool water for it to cool down so you can peel the shells off easily. And when you're done peeling them, you have to rinse them and clean them, wipe them up with a tissue and place them aside. So for the dough, we'll be needing 2 eggs, milk and butter. And I will be needing also my standard measuring cups. And in a large bowl, sieve in 4 cups of flour. It is very important to sieve in your flour before using, like I'm doing right now on this video. Now that I'm done sieving the flour, I'll be adding a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a cup of sugar. And then I'll be mixing all these dry ingredients together. When you're done mixing, add your butter. This is 80 grams of butter. You can mix with your hand or you can mix with anything you have available. And the next ingredient is optional, which is my lemon peel. You can choose to use it, you can choose not to use it. That's why I said it's optional. You can also use the ginger if you feel like, but me, I prefer lemon. In another bowl, cracking 2 eggs. It's always good to crack your eggs aside to avoid eggshells in your egg roll. Now create a hole in the middle of the flour. Pour in the 2 eggs. Remember to mix it. And here is my vanilla for the taste. I can't do without this. So inside this little bottle there is 20 ml of vanilla. So I use 2 of these bottles, which is equivalent to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now that I'm done putting the vanilla, I have to mix everything together. Now I'm using a spoon or spatula or whatever you call it. But later I'm going to switch to my hand because you need a clean hand to do this. You have to add the milk gradually, little by little if possible. You don't have to put everything at once. Mix it well, don't over mix it. And now that I'm done, I would have to cover it and keep it for about 10 to 20 minutes. So it's past 20 minutes and the dough is ready. Now I have to cut them into a little pieces, because for this dough I need to separate them. So I need about 10 pieces of dough because I have 10 eggs, so I need about 10 pieces. So I have to do this to get the complete amount. Here you don't need anything else but your both hands. You just have to flatten the dough properly well with your both hands. Place in 1 egg in the middle of the dough and make sure to seal it very well. Seal it properly to avoid the egg from being popping out of the dough later when you're frying it. So I made this video 3 times just to show you guys 3 different ways to do this with your hands. If you don't seal the dough very well, when you put it inside the frying oil later, the egg is going to pop out from the dough in that way your egg roll is not going to come perfectly well. So you just have to seal it. Just seal it very well to avoid these things. And my 10 egg rolls are well sealed and ready to go into the deep frying oil. I'm going into the baby one first because this is my own way of testing the oil if the oil is ready to be used. At first I'll be going in with just two, but later I'm going to add other ones. And there is something you guys should know: never fry this thing on the high heat. Always fry it on the lower heat, because if you fry it on the higher heat, the dough is not going to get done inside. And remember to always stir it, always turn it on time. And before you take it out, make sure you see that golden colored brown. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video will help you whenever you want to make your own hair grow. Please remember, do not forget to like and share with your friends. We will see again on my next video. Bye bye.